Hi, everyone. We are into week 4 now, and I wanted to take some time and walk you through the assignments for this week. They're slightly different than in the past, so I'm going to go ahead and go into the website and check them out with you, okay? So the first thing that is similar is the discussion board. Okay, so your discussion board, you're going to be specifically looking at language development. This is very similar in terms to what we did with the nature versus nurture argument in week 2. However, what I'm looking for specifically is applying that to language development. One of the things that we know is that the environment is extremely rich when it comes to helping children learn language. So what I want you to do for this is to investigate both sides, look at the nature, genetics, and maturation that is involved in language development, as well as what happens in the environment or nurture. Present your opinion, which one you think is more influential. Okay, so that is your discussion board for this week. As I said, this is slightly different, the writing assignment. This writing assignment is looking specifically at infant cognition. One of my famous sayings is the wheels are turning, meaning you can see that infants are taking things in and making sense of them. However, they may not even be able to speak about them. So I always say the wheels are turning. So what you are going to be doing is watching some videos. As you can see, I've got a bunch of videos linked here. All of them are addressing different concepts in cognition, anything from Piaget stages to habituation to the visual cliff experiment to even just plain imitation. All of those are demonstrations of infant cognition. So what I want you to do for this one is to really think about and describe how infants process their environment. I want you to give examples of infant perception and imitation. You can pull them from these videos as well as in real life. And I want you to evaluate how they look at things and what that actually means. Okay, so as normal, here is our rubric where I'm looking for you to discuss the video as well as the readings for the prompt. And I'm also looking for you to integrate material into your responses and create a essay. Okay, so that is what is slightly different because of all of the videos. And I've also linked these videos into the resources. And that's something that you're going to see occurring more and more is lots of video resources. These will be helpful in supplementing lecture that we have or are not having, okay? So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. As you know, there's also the worksheet for this week as well, but let me know if you have any questions at all, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So far, you guys are doing great. Keep keeping up. If you have any questions about your grades ever, also reach out on that. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.